Hey, this is Luke from Purpose Property, and I've got Danny with me, one of our clients, and we're going to chat you through today a recent deal where Danny's purchased this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom high-set home on the south side of Brisbane on over 1,000 square meters. So, mate, let's just start off by the journey. You know, how did you find us, and what were you looking for in a buyer's agent to help you in that process?
What I was looking for in a buyer's agent was someone who was very personable, someone who I could easily chat with. I have used other buyer's agents and didn't have a good experience.
Yeah.
So based on your YouTube content and some recommendations, they said you are very personable, very approachable.
That's great.
And you were also doing the value add type proposition with, you know, what you can do to a block and what levers you can pull. That was the value add on top of just a normal buyer's agent. So here's a property, off you go, sort of thing. Amazing. So there was a lot of extra value I can get out of you in that regard.
Great. And I know we had lots of really good conversations about where you've been and what you were looking to do.
Yeah.
And so to start off the process, you signed our contracts as a buyer's agent, you paid an upfront retainer, and then we got into that journey of talking about what are we looking for in terms of price, block size, as you said, value add, whether that was a granny flat like we've been able to secure here. And then talk us through that process of week to week. So what did you receive as a client? You know, what were we looking for? How did that process work? And then how did we actually find this place?
Yeah. So you sent through a client workbook that explained all my specifics and you know, what I was looking for, budget, and there were some helpful links in there as well.
Yeah, and I think we looked at some recent deals as well that you wouldn't have seen on YouTube, or we could say, hey, this is what we bought with this agent or this client last week or last month, and that would hopefully given you, now you're on the inside as a client, you've seen actually live deals in the last, 4 to 6 weeks.
Exactly.
That were hopefully giving you better perspective as well.
Yeah. So I met at your office, which was quite nice, and ran through some current deals and go, that's what I like, and maybe, that could be cool, but it would require more renovation type aspects. And so for me, I haven't done too many renovations. So it'd be something that's semi-renovated already, but something I could quite easily add some value to. Yeah. So that was kind of the brief. Yeah.
Yeah. And then week to week, we were sending you deals, looking at opportunities, and you actually sent us this deal, didn't you?
Yeah. It's, as you probably know, I'm a bit of an active investor, because now I've obviously engaged you guys, and my fingers don't sit still. So I was browsing realestate.com and found this one and say, hey, what about this?
So good.
And and obviously you guys were an amazing sounding board. So it was just great to have the confidence of you and your team to say, hey, this is actually a really good deal. That's
ticking the boxes.
Yeah.
And that's one of the biggest things we say to our clients, whether it's on market, off market, or pre-market, we encourage our buyers to keep looking, because you know what you want best. I buy properties for me, you buy properties for you, they're going into your portfolio. And so Danny did find this one online, and we started that process of going back and forth. What is the block size? What is the frontage? What's the value add opportunity? What's our relationship with the selling agent, which was a big part of this deal here. And so we picked up with Danny this deal, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with good frontage and drivable side access on the right-hand side. Upstairs, it's fairly renovated. It's in pretty good condition overall. It's got a bonus area downstairs, so you have that extra bathroom and a living space and a kitchenette and a garage area, which could be a gym as well. And then we've got a huge block out the back here. So one of the cool things about this property is it's on around 1,070 square meters.
Yep.
And that allows Danny to build a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom granny flat in this region. So what were some of your concerns with this property, knowing your history with renovations and granny flats? What did you and I talk about a lot when it came to this side and also the home itself? I know we had an issue in the building of pests, which I'd love to talk through, because a lot of people are nervous when it comes to building of pests and houses having some damage. So talk us through some of those issues that we ran into.
Yeah, so again, I can't thank Luke enough, because I'm a bit of a nervous Nelly. So
it's a lot of money though as well.
Exactly right. It's just like I'm because of my career, I'm very detail oriented. So I was going through it with a fine tooth comb. But so in the building and pests, found some termite damage around the left hand side.
Yep.
And obviously, as soon as I hear termites, I just think expensive.
Everyone, you know, it's a common thing, and the whole house is ruined, we're out, I'm not touching it. It's about assessing, as you and I spoke about, it's about assessing that. So what did that look like?
Yeah, so, you know, there was some damage there at the bottom, and the real estate agent was just handy enough to have some tools. We just took off the sheet and found that there was just minimal damage just at the very bottom, so quite minimal. So once I could see it visually, I knew that, you know, the whole house wasn't riddled.
Yes.
And so that made me a lot more settled as a result.
And so Danny and I were confident in the house once we'd gone through that process. You'd had Derek, the lead agent. He's been great as part of that relationship with us as buyers agents. Derek as a lead selling agent, you know, mitigating, managing these risks. And there are circumstances where you do need to pull out on a building and pest. But this was one of those ones that we could quantify the risk. We could put a dollar figure on it as well and have a long-term plan in terms of the value of the land itself. And so the other big thing, you know, let's turn around here and show people this beautiful space out here. The other big thing was this land behind us. So talk people through what you're planning on doing with this space out here, and whether that happens in the next 12 months or 5 years. What's your dream with this space as well?
So yeah, ideally, I would like to put a granny flat out here.
Not just a little one.
Yeah. Well, thankfully, because it's over 1,000 square meters, and again, thank you to your awesome information.
Yeah.
We can put a 3-bed, 2-bath, or 100 square meters. And again, I like the details of things. So 100 square meters gross floor area.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it'll be quite a sizable building here. And so with the side access here, you can quite easily put a fence maybe down the middle of the block. And so basically have two dwellings here. Yeah.
And the great thing about that is Danny's been able to pick up this property with us in that low 900s mark.
Yep.
Around that 912, and then you add a dwelling for estimated 350. You're thinking 350 at most 400. The great thing is once you got both houses rented, you're probably looking conservatively at rent of about $1,200 a week. So it should be getting, depending on your debt and your own position as an investor, because it's different for everyone. I'm doing one of these too, and mine's just about 4 weeks away from finishing. And the great thing with Danny working with us is we give him contacts on property management, the builders, the town planners, building and pest inspectors. And so when you work with our team as a buyer's agency, you don't just get to have that one-on-one conversation. We want to make sure that from the initiation all the way through till settlement, which Danny's coming up close to settlement now, is that you've got every party you might need throughout that process. Yeah. Awesome, mate.
Yeah.
Well, it's been a pleasure helping you on this journey, and I'm sure, as you and I said, we're going to catch up every few months and touch base on your plans with this one and the other ones moving forward. But yeah, thank you so much for taking the time to have a chat with us.
Well, thank you for being an awesome buyer's agent.
Legend, mate. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
See ya.